You won't believe what's in the new ET03 Pro model. Let's find out. First is the tablet, the ET03 Pro, that comes with its puffed protective casing. Here it is. This is how you set it up. And then it just stands on its own like that. Yeah. The next thing is in this box. You get a wiper, which you can use to wipe your screen if it gets dirty. You get the charger head, which you connect with a USB cable, which is right here. And then you get a stylus pen, which you can use to tap on the screen and maneuver about. Next is the various activation license. We have the Loho Learning activation code, and we have the Msingi Pack activation code. This you'll get with the ElimuTab. The next thing is the app guide, which comes with the various apps offered by ElimuTab. There are so many and they are so wonderful, and as you can see, they are all in the tablets. The next thing is the Android tablet user manual. This new model is Android 12, and therefore you get a new user manual that shows you how to set up, how to use the tablet. It's all here. The next thing is the user manual, which shows you how to set up various settings and applications like the parental control and all that and more. The last thing is the AR Zoo. This is for children learning about animals. You have the pictures here and the names of the animals themselves. Something about the new ET03 Pro model: it's 10.1 inches, it's fitted with Android 12 operating system, the battery capacity is 5000, and its display is 1280 800 PS.